Hello everyone, I am Jay Sree from 3rd BCom A, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasnagar College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about the topic venture capital funding. Meaning of venture capital. Venture capital is a form of private equity and a type of financing for startup companies and small businesses with long-term growth potential. Venture capital generally comes from investors, investment banks and financial institutions. A venture capitalist is an investor who provides young companies with capital in exchange for equity. Now we move on to the next slide. Features of venture capital financing. Long term investment. Venture capital is a long term investment in small to medium sized businesses with growth potential. Equity finance. Venture capital is a type of equity finance for relatively new companies. Risk return spectrum. Venture capital involves a high risk return spectrum. Business skills. Venture capitalists provide capital and business skills to the companies they invest in. Continuous involvement. Venture capital institutions remain involved in the business after making the investment. Disinvestment. Venture capital institutions disinvest the holdings in the market or to the promoters. Acquisition or buyout financing, a type of venture capital fund that includes acquisition financing and leveraged buyout financing. Revenue lending, a type of venture capital financing where investors provide capital in exchange for a percentage of companies' gross revenues. Series A, the second stage of startup financing and the first stage of venture capital financing. Corporate venture capital. When a well established company invests in a startup that aligns with its long term strategic objectives. Next, we see types of venture capital financing. There are three major types: seed capital, early stage financing, expansion financing. Seed capital, a small amount of funding for a startup that does not yet have a product or a company. Early stage financing, a type of venture capital fund. Expansion financing, a type of venture capital fund that includes bridge financing, second stage financing, and third stage financing. Next, process of venture capital financing: deal origination, screening, evaluation, deal negotiation, post investment activity, exit plan. Thank you for watching.